I'm Chip Sparks with Circuit Brief. Let's flash through the latest tech news. First up, VS Code users, get ready to hit that uninstall button. A cyber group calling themselves White Cobra just unleashed a digital snake pit inside the Visual Studio Code marketplace. They planted 24 malicious extensions, yes, 24, packed with crypto-stealing malware. If you use VS Code, Cursor, or Windsurf, double-check your extensions. These bad actors are after your keys, tokens, wallets, and anything else they can slither away with. Meanwhile, the FBI is throwing major shade on two hacking groups, UNC 6040 and UNC 6395. These cyber gangs breached Salesforce environments by abusing OAuth tokens during phishing campaigns and topped it off with some old-school vishing. That's voice phishing in case you haven't heard. Once inside, they didn't just tiptoe around. They snatched data, used it for extortion, and left Salesforce admins with a whole mess to clean up. So if you're in enterprise IT, it's time to lock things down. And hey, speaking of keeping your digital world secure, let's talk tools. A lot of you ask what we recommend for everything from pen testing to data recovery to diving into the dark web. Well, say hello to the Ultimate USB version 2.1 from bootableusbs.com. This beast is loaded with 13 categories and 50 bootable environments. We're talking hacking, password cracking, forensics, recovery, and even retro gaming. It's like the Swiss Army knife of tech. If you live in terminal windows and BIOS menus, this one's for you. Links in the description, and trust me, it's worth the click. Now, back to the software battleground. Microsoft is giving Windows 10 its final salute. Just a 30-day notice. That's right, support ends on October 14th. So if you're still rocking that OS, get ready to either upgrade or pay for extended support. Windows 11's adoption numbers are still lagging, so this is Microsoft's not-so-subtle push to get you on board. That's your Tech Pulse Check for today. Cyber threats on the rise, tools to fight back, and legacy systems fading into the tech horizon. Chip Sparks signing off from Circuit Brief, and I'll see you tomorrow.